Alright, I'm recording. This person who in Chakra Battlegrounds who wouldn't stop when I asked him to. I'm playing a variety of different games now. I'm back on. Yeah, there's always been these gaps in my long-term posting, and this guy's being really annoying. Stop! There's your Mackie camera. Oh my god! Don't be annoying! Don't be annoying! Don't be annoying! Oh my gosh, this annoying spam. I hate on him. He's annoying and he's dashing. Really? I don't know if this ninja moveset is very strong. Techo was the one who stopped. I'll let Techo in the comments. You know that feeling when you lose a fight in this game and then you got a scab. As a child, I yearned for the mines. Get out of here, bro! And then I started selling doorbell knobs, and I got really bored. And then I started selling doorbell knobs. Then I started selling doorbell knobs. And I got really bored. But then I remembered my dream. I'm back here at the mines. Then I started mining and mining. Until I found it. No way. What is this blue orb? Looks like my doorbell. It's blue like my doorbell handles. Huh. What is this blue orb? What is this world? Yeah, there's only no one uses Naruto anymore. No! I'm an OG in this game. I played in like July of 2024. It was either June or July of 2024. It was like when this game was first released. I'm an OG of this game. I played when it was like the early summer of 2024. That was still when I didn't know combos. Combos existed. And then I heard of combos. I was like, wow, I need to get in on this stuff. Some breakfast because my stomach is